Rhondda Cynon Taf County Borough Council prides itself on delivering excellent customer service to its residents and visitors. There are a number of ways customers can access information, advice and services. You can telephone our dedicated contact centre, pop in, or book an appointment at one of our One for All centres, or visit our website 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Good afternoon, Penanda. Rhondda Cynon Taf speaking. How can I help?
Rhondda Cynon Taf's telephone contact centre deals with over 700,000 calls and customer inquiries every year. The new key number range makes it easier for residents of Rhondda Cynon Taf to access information regarding various council inquiries from 8:30 AM to 5 PM Monday to Friday, and our team of trained advisors are always ready to help. Services such as council tax, environmental services, out-of-hours emergencies, lifeline and social care make the contact centre a one-stop shop for our customers. We work very closely with Cwm Taf Local Health Board, who form part of our call centre as a key partner service. Our aim is always to deliver a high-quality and efficient customer-focused service, helping you feel reassured that any inquiry you have has been dealt with accurately and professionally.
Incredibly helpful. He really seemed eager to help me and gave me every piece of information he possibly could in order to solve the problem I was having.
Lovely, thanks very much. Take care, bye-bye.
Welcome to the One for All centres. We are the one-stop shop for face-to-face customer inquiries, advice and services in Rhondda Cynon Taf. We have 4 One for All centres situated at Rock Grounds in Aberdare, Bronwith House in Porth, Sardis House in Pontypridd and at Treorchy Library. All are open Monday to Friday, 8:30 AM to 5 PM. This is where you can get help and advice with services such as housing benefit, council tax, blue badges, planning permission and much more. You can also access selected partner services such as consumer advice, Inland Revenue, Citizens Advice Bureau, Age Concern and Police. You can make an appointment to see us for complex services, or you can drop in during opening hours. At our centre reception desk you can pick up forms, collect recycling bags or get general information and advice. If you have an in-depth inquiry, you can arrange at reception to speak to specialist advisors who are able to assist with more complex matters. If your inquiry is more sensitive, we have private interview rooms in all our One for All centres. If you prefer, you can use one of our self-service computers in our One for All e-zones to access a wide range of information and services online. If you need to make a council payment, you can use our automated payment kiosk to pay by cash or card by following the simple instructions on screen. At our One for All centres, we aim to deal with and resolve customer inquiries during their visit. For instance, if you are over 60 years of age, you can come into one of our centres to apply for your concessionary bus pass. We can help you complete your application form, and providing you have the correct supporting evidence, we will produce your pass for you to take away.
I phoned the council yesterday to find out what the procedure was for the bus pass, and I told them I was going to come to Sardis House, and they said, well, we'll take the photo in Sardis House and we'll give you the bus pass at the same time.
Well, I've come up today to renew my aunt's blue badge. She's 88 years of age and very infirm. I was here yesterday and there was a problem with the photograph. They gave me all the right advice. I've come back today with the right photographs. Very efficient, very smooth, and made me feel quite comfortable.
I came into the One for All centre this morning to sort out the council tax bill that I had through. There was a slight problem on it, and I was able to also speak to them in Welsh, which was great for me. Roeddwn ni'n gallu siarad Cymraeg hefo'r cynorthwyydd wrth y ddesg. Mi nath I sortio bob dim allan, oedd yn wych I mi, felly ffantastig.
The Council's website, www.rctcbc.gov.uk, is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and offers a wide range of information and self-service options, and facilitates over 900,000 visitors each year. Through the website you can find out about classes at your local leisure centre, report a pothole, pay your council tax, apply for a job, find the school term times, latest news and council events, plus much more. The mobile version of the website allows you to access the same information and services whilst on the move, tailored to suit your mobile phone or tablet device. More and more customers are choosing to use the website to get information or request services at a time that suits them, which can be outside normal office hours. In this instance, Mrs. Jones has discovered that her street lamp is faulty one evening. She's able to visit the website and report her faulty lamp by locating it on a map and submitting her request to the council. These details are passed to the relevant service teams to investigate and deal with and carry out any necessary repair work exactly in the same way as if the customer called us by telephone or visited one of our One for All centres. So there are a number of ways you can access council services that suits your individual requirements and at a time that's convenient to you. Call our dedicated contact centre, pop in or book an appointment at one of our One for All centres, or visit our website 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
As you can see, Rhondda and Taff County Borough Council are very proud of our customer care services that we provide to you. We're continuously trying to improve those through a range of channels, whether that be face-to-face, such as a facility here in Porth, over the telephone and increasingly over the internet, and indeed whilst you're on the move.